Hi, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star property. As you can see, the street property location and there is the connections in landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Which is the good? A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. Kindly and check it. Location of the description below. If you are facing any kind of problem in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.